Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable travel hacker tips in the Hotels Combined application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the notifications button at the settings section, and then click on the push notifications button, and the second button, the travel hacker tips, just click on the white circle, and once it turned blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.